It's pretty common for students of English, whether they're young or old, to think that they understand English really well when reading and listening. They may think, I totally get it. I can understand movies, I can listen to songs, I can read novels, but then when it's time to speak, they suddenly forget everything. They're totally lost. What happened? Why can't they speak? Well, chances are it's confidence or the lack of it. We've all been there. We know how intimidating it can be to speak English, especially when you're unsure of yourself. But speaking English doesn't have to be hard or intimidating. With a few simple tips, you can build your confidence and start speaking English with ease. So let's get started. Tip number 1, identify your weaknesses. If you want to improve your confidence when speaking English, the first thing you need to do is identify your weaknesses. What are you bad at? Is it grammar? Is it pronunciation? Is it fluency? Once you've identified your weaknesses, you can focus on improving them. This will help you feel more confident when speaking English because you lines know that you're re-improving and getting better all the time. Tip number 2, practice, practice, and practice some more. If you want to become more confident speaking English, practice as much as possible. This means practicing with friends, family members, co-workers, or even by yourself. You can also practice with our amazing community on a messaging platform. Our members love to practice speaking English with each other, and it's a great way to get some practice in. Practice makes perfect, as they say, so the more you practice, the better you'll become at speaking English. Tip no. 3, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they speak English, even native speakers. The important thing is not to let this discourage you. Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to learn from them and keep practicing. If you're constantly focusing on your mistakes, you'll never improve. So focus on the progress you're making and celebrate your successes along the way. Tip number 4, start small. One of the best ways to build your confidence is to start small. Don't try to do too much too soon. Instead, set realistic goals for yourself. For example, if you want to become more confident speaking English with native speakers, start by practicing with other learners. Then slowly work your way up to speaking with natives. This will help you build your confidence gradually so that you're not overwhelmed. Tip no. 5, focus on fluency, not accuracy. This is a big one. Many people believe that if they don't speak perfectly, then they shouldn't bother speaking at all. This couldn't be further from the truth. Native speakers don't speak perfectly all the time. They make mistakes all the time, but they still communicate effectively. The same is true for you. Focus on communicating your meaning rather than worrying about sounding perfect. Tip number 6, don't compare yourself to others. Comparing yourself to other people is a surefire way to kill your confidence. Everyone learns and speaks English differently and at their own pace. So don't compare your progress to anyone else. Instead, focus on your own journey and celebrate your own successes. Tip number 7, learn English for yourself. Many people learn English for someone else. Perhaps their parents want them to get a good job, or maybe their friends are all native speakers. Whatever the reason, they're learning English for someone else, but this is the wrong way to learn. You should learn English because you want to, not because someone else wants you to. If you learn English for yourself, you'll be more motivated to practice and improve, which will lead to increased confidence. Tip no. 8, learn about English culture. Learning about the culture of a language can help you understand how to use the language in different situations. It can also help you understand native speakers better, which can make conversations easier. Tip number 9, relax and enjoy yourself. Probably the most important tip we can give you is to relax and enjoy yourself. Don't put so much pressure on yourself to be perfect. Instead, relax, have fun, and enjoy the process of learning English. If you approach English with a positive attitude, you'll be more likely to succeed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below the video and comment to let us know what you found most useful. Also, if you're still watching, we know you're serious about improving your English. That's why we want to give you an exclusive discount on our brand new intensive online English program. This is a unique program that has helped many of our students achieve fluency in English. We use a proven formula that combines intensive lessons, personalized coaching, and real-world practice to help you learn English faster and more effectively. We offer a variety of programs to fit your needs and level, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner. Our experienced and qualified teachers will help you reach your English goals. And if you enroll now, you'll receive a special discount. Don't miss this opportunity to finally achieve your English fluency goals. Visit our website to learn more and claim your discount. And if you're already subscribed to our channel, thank you for being part of our community. We hope you're enjoying the journey of learning English with us. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. We value your support and your voice matters. Until next time, happy learning.